Welcome to the world of GK. Today let's study 30 important GK questions. If you not yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and enable bell icon to get all notifications. Let's start. Here is our first question. Who was the founder of Fort William College? Answer: Lord Richard Wellesley. Lord Richard Wellesley founded Fort William College. Second one, Sundarban National Park is situated in which state? Answer: West Bengal. Sundarban National Park is situated in West Bengal. Next question, in which year Annie Besant died? Answer: in 1933. Annie Besant died in 1933. Fourth one, what is the ancient name of Allahabad? Answer: Prayag. Ancient name of Allahabad is Prayag. Now Allahabad is known as Prayagraj. Fifth question, Nobel Award is started in which year? Answer: 1901. Nobel Award started in the year 1901. Nobel Award for Peace was declared by Alfred Nobel. He was a Swedish chemist, well known for the invention of dynamite. So from his name, it got that name, Nobel Award. Sixth one, which gas is used to make vanaspati? Answer: hydrogen. Hydrogen is used to make vanaspati. Seventh one, the substance that gives red color to blood. Answer: hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the substance that gives red color to blood. Hemoglobin is a protein. It is responsible for transporting of oxygen in blood in case of vertebrates. Eighth one, Straight from the Heart is an autobiography of whom? Answer: Kapil Dev. Straight from the Heart is an autobiography of Kapil Dev. Autobiography of Sachin is Playing It My Way. Ninth one, who is the writer of Malgudi Days? Answer: R.K. Narayan. Writer of Malgudi Days is R.K. Narayan. Other important works of R.K. Narayan are The Guide, The English Teacher, Swami and Friends, and The Dark Room. These are important works of R.K. Narayan. 10th one, what is the chemical name of vitamin C? Answer: ascorbic acid. Vitamin C is known as ascorbic acid. Gooseberry is rich in vitamin C. 11th one, what is the unit used for measuring length of ocean? Answer: nautical mile. Nautical mile is the unit used for measuring length of ocean. Next one, what is the source of energy in human body? Answer: carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is the source of energy in human body and simplest sugar is glucose. 13th one, in which state there is most number of railway tracks? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Most number of railway tracks is in Uttar Pradesh in India. 14th one, the one and only Pakistani who awarded with Bharat Ratna. Answer, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan is known as Frontier Gandhi. Next one, this is our 15th question. Pangong Lake is located in. Answer, Ladakh. Pangong Lake is located in Ladakh. I have already uploaded a video regarding lakes in India. You can watch that. 16th one, national game of New Zealand. Answer, rugby. Rugby is the national game of New Zealand. 17th one, Kesari newspaper was introduced by whom? Answer, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak introduced Kesari newspaper. And he also started a newspaper named Maratha. It was an English newspaper. So, Bal Gangadhar started a newspaper named Kesari. It was in Marathi language, and he also started a newspaper named Maratha. That newspaper was in English language. 18th one, prairie grass plains belongs to. Answer, North America. Prairie grass plains belongs to North America. Steppe grasslands or grass plains belongs to Asia. Here we saw prairie grass plains belongs to North America, and steppe grass plains belongs to Asia, and savanna grass plains located in Africa and Australia, and more than 50% of savanna grass plains located in Africa. 19th one, in which year NABARD was established? Answer, in 1982. NABARD was established in 1982, and expansion of NABARD is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. That is the expansion of NABARD. 20th question, Munda is the main tribe of which state? Answer, Jharkhand. Munda is the main tribe of Jharkhand. 21st question, which rivers made Sundarban Delta? Answer, Ganga, Brahmaputra. Ganga and Brahmaputra, these rivers made Sundarban Delta. Next one, this is our 21st question. Maldives Parliament is known as? Answer, Majlis. Maldives Parliament is known as Majlis. Afghanistan Parliament is known as Shura. 22nd question, who was Commander-in-Chief in Akbar's court? Answer, Man Singh. Man Singh was Commander-in-Chief in Akbar's court. The famous personalities in Akbar's court, they known as Navaratnas. Among them, Birbal was his advisor and main commander. Raja Todarmal was his finance minister. Abul Faisi was his court poet. So, Commander-in-Chief was Man Singh. 23rd one, which article is known as the soul of Constitution? Answer, Article 32. Article 32 is known as the soul of Constitution. 24th, who is the author of the famous book Life of Pi? Answer, Jan Martel. Jan Martel is the author of famous book Life of Pi. 25th question. After which incident Mahatma Gandhi withdrew from non-cooperation movement? Answer: Chauri Chaura tragedy. Chauri Chaura tragedy was a tragedy in that protesters attacked and set fire to a police station and caused death of the occupants. 22 policemen were died in that tragedy, and after this tragedy Mahatma Gandhi withdrew from non-cooperation movement. 26th one. Air Force Day is observed on. Answer: 8th October. Air Force Day is observed on 8th October. Navy Day is observed on December 4th. And Army Day is observed on January 15. 27th one. The minimum distance between the Sun and the Earth occurs on. Answer: January 4th. Minimum distance between the Sun and the Earth occurs on January 4th, and this is known as perihelion. This is known as perihelion. And maximum distance between the Earth and Sun occurs on 4th July. We have already seen perihelion occurs on January 4th, and in that minimum distance between Sun and the Earth. But maximum distance between the Sun and the Earth occurs on 4th July. It is known as aphelion. It is known as aphelion. 28th one. Which gas is used in chips packet? Answer: nitrogen gas. Nitrogen gas is used in chips packet. 29th one. Article 31 has been removed from the fundamental rights in which year? Answer: 1978. Article 31 was right to property. It was a fundamental right before. According to Article 31, it was a fundamental right. Then this Article 31 was repealed and it became legal right under Article 300A. Under Article 300A, it became legal right. Right to property became legal right under Article 300A. And Article 31 was removed. It was removed in the year 1978. Our last question. Saturn's largest natural satellite. Saturn's largest natural satellite is Titan. Titan is the largest moon of Saturn, or largest natural satellite of Saturn. And the largest satellite in the solar system is Ganymede. Ganymede is the satellite of Jupiter. Ganymede is the largest satellite in solar system. But among Saturn's satellites, the largest one is Titan. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and visit the channel for more videos.